Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write music in a minor key and how to approach writing music in minor keys. This video today will deal with harmonizing melodies in minor keys and dealing generally with chord progressions in minor keys, particularly at cadence points. What's on screen now is just a PowerPoint presentation, and if you'd like to own a copy of this PowerPoint, you can download it directly from the link in the description. So to begin, we're going to look at an example, and then I have multiple examples that you can try yourself afterwards. For all of these exercises, there's just 4 steps. Number 1 is identifying the key signature. Currently, there's 1 sharp in the key signature, which would typically mean that you're in G major. To work out what the minor key is with this key signature, we write out the notes of the major key, in this case G major, go to the 6th degree of that key, and you get E. Now when I write all of the notes of G major but start and end on E, what we have is the E natural minor scale. One final thing we need to do is raise the 7th degree of this natural minor scale to get the E harmonic minor scale. And now we are ready to work with chords in this key. Notice also how the melody has a D sharp on the last beat of the first bar here. We're going to draw a chord bank now using the harmonic minor scale. Chord 1 is minor, chord 2 is diminished, chord 3 is augmented, chord 4 is minor, chord 5 is major, chord 6 is major, and chord 7 is diminished. Now we're going to attempt to harmonize the melody while also making a cadence. And this is what we get. The notes C, B passing note, and A fit into chord 2, F sharp and D sharp fit into chord 5, and then E fits our chord of 1. And this 5-to-1 cadence makes it a perfect cadence. You could have also used chord 4, which is A minor, and then gone A minor, B, and E minor. But I wanted to use chord 2 here to make the point to any Leaving Cert students listening in that chord 2 in a minor key always has to be in first inversion. That is, putting the 3rd of the diminished chord into the bass part. So we get F sharp diminished here over A. So here's exercise 1, and you can see on the left we have our 4 steps that we need to go through. There are 9 exercises in total, and I'm going to slowly switch between them all now so that you can have a try yourself first, but the answers to each of the exercises are time-stamped in the description below. If you'd like to own a copy of the empty boxes in PDF file and also a MuseScore file, you can download that from the links in the description also. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful, please hit the subscribe button, and a reminder that all of the resources from today's video are available in the description box below. This has been David Kennedy, and I'll see you in the next one.